If you see this little symbol flashing, it means that it's time for you to descale your Delonghi DEDICA. And if the light is not on but you still want to descale your machine, I'll show you how to do it. Hi, my name is Colin and you're on Cafe Lista, the channel dedicated to coffee lovers and espresso at home. As you probably know, there is nothing worse than lime scale for those small machines with a thermoblock. So descaling is really important. How often? Well, it's recommended to descale your machine every 200 coffees or so, which means 2 to 4 months depending on your usage. What do you need to descale your Delonghi DEDICA? We want a container big enough to collect the descaling solution and the rinsing water after, and we need a descaler. Here we're gonna use the EcoDecal, the one from Delonghi. Now let's prepare the descaling solution. We're gonna use 100 ml of the Delonghi product as indicated on the bottle, which corresponds to 1 unit. Then fill the water tank to the maximum level. We can also use a descaler with a citric or lactic acid. The one from Delonghi is made with lactic acid. If you've seen my other videos where I descaled the Delonghi Stylosa or ECP, you saw that it's relatively quick. With the DEDICA, it takes a bit longer, about 20 to 25 minutes. Are you ready? Do you have everything? Let's start. To enter a manual descaling mode, press and hold the steam button for 10 seconds. You will see the 3 buttons light up successively and press the steam button again to start the descaling cycle. Don't forget to place a container under the portafilter and the steam wand. Don't forget also to remove the portafilter. To start, we will turn the steam knob to the on position. Here we go, it's starting. But wait, don't leave just yet. Stay close to the machine and occasionally turn the steam knob to the off position to let the water flow through the coffee spout. It's really important to ensure that the descaler runs through all the circuits in the machine. Do this regularly, every 20 to 30 seconds, until all the descaling solution has passed through the machine. During this time, the button will keep flashing orange. Okay, we've done the big part, now we still have to rinse the machine. So once the tank is empty, rinse it well, fill it with fresh water to the maximum level, place it back in the machine, and the rinsing will begin. This is much faster, taking just a few minutes. But again, stay with your machine. You can also alternate now the water flow between the steam wand and the coffee spout. When the tank is empty, repeat the rinsing process a second time. We want to eliminate all descaling solution, all residue, to avoid a bad taste in your coffee. You can also take the opportunity to clean the other components of your machine, such as the portafilter and the drip tray. And there you have it. Your Delonghi DEDICA is now descaled, ready to use, ready to make delicious espresso. And don't forget to repeat this operation regularly, as it's really the most important maintenance you can do. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. As usual, see you next week. Hope you have a good day. Ciao.